An appeals court in Washington is hearing arguments today over former President Trump's limited gag order in his federal election interference case. It's the latest in Trump's efforts to lift that gag order that prohibits him from making or reposting statements publicly targeting special counsel Jack Smith, his staff, the judge's staff, and other D.C. court personnel. Trump has pleaded not guilty to charges of undertaking a criminal scheme to subvert democracy and remain in power by overturning the results of the 2020 election. Let's bring in now senior reporter Katherine Faulders along with ABC News legal contributor Brian Buckmeyer. Thank you both for joining us today. Katherine, let's start with you. What's at stake in this hearing? It seems like it's either the judicial system or free speech.
Well, that's one way to put it. And I think what's at stake here is what the former president is actually allowed to say about this case publicly. If remembering what the ruling said that from the district judge here, which has currently stayed pending appeal, the judge ruled that he essentially can't say that Jack Smith is deranged, for example. He can't attack court personnel. So his lawyers are inside right now arguing on behalf of him. They say that this gag order, it's unconstitutional. The judges have been pressing Trump's legal team on this past pattern of threats following things that Trump has said, for example, about witnesses. I will note that special counsel Jack Smith is physically present in the courtroom. We do not see him often there in person. He's been listening to the arguments. The special counsel's team will argue, as they have before, that Trump's language and what he says about witnesses is intimidating witnesses and could taint an eventual jury pool.
Yeah, Katherine, so I want to turn to Brian now. Trump is arguing that this gag order violates his First Amendment rights, that he has the ability and the desire to speak during a political season to his electorate, a potential electorate. How does the special counsel combat that? How do they win in court on this?
I think right now what they've got is a lot of theoretical damage. They say it could taint a jury pool. It could threaten potential witnesses. What I would expect for them is to actually go to those witnesses and maybe even conduct a jury pool questionnaire themselves to see what, in fact, Donald Trump's language is affecting people. We've also seen gag orders throughout multiple cases. I think they may pull from that as well to help strengthen their arguments.
It'll be really interesting to see how this plays out. Katherine Faulders and Brian Buckmeyer, thank you both so much for your insights. We appreciate you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.